Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again today. Look at this fantastic breakfast that Amber has made me. This plate is a total of 4 points. She got this recipe off, I don't know, probably TikTok or somewhere for the pancakes. So they are 4 points. I'm sure if you'd like the recipe, then we can let you know. In fact, I'll probably put it in the description box if I remember. And inside, let me just put you down because I'm inside. She has filled it with some 0% Greek yogurt and with some toffee drops in, which that is 0 points. And she sliced a small banana between them all and then put some of the choc in that I bought yesterday on my shopping haul, which did weigh 0 points, which is absolutely amazing. This one, choc brownie. So yeah, anyway, I'm not going to talk anymore because I cannot wait to dive into these. So this yummy plate is just 4 points. I think that is amazing. Oh my days, that was amazing. Honestly, that was so nice. Now, I said it was 0 points. Well, the choc is 0 points, but I didn't realise altogether there was near enough 3 teaspoons on there. So you can have up to 3 teaspoons for 1 point. So yeah, we're just going to call it 1 point to cover us for the choc, but everything else, like the Greek yogurt and the banana, was free. So it's a total of 5 points because it was 4 for the pancakes and then 1 for the choc. But oh my gosh, my mouth is on like just tingling now. It was so delicious. So this is my lunch today. I've got a Warburton's wholemeal pitta. They are 4 points. And then in there, I have filled it with tuna in brine, which I've mixed 2.5 tablespoons of light and light mayo in there. And that comes in at 1 point. And then I have got some radishes from my mum's garden. They're 0 points. And then these mini cucumbers that I got, I think, in Lidl's the other day. So yeah, so it's 3 points. 4 points for the pitta and then 1 point for the mayo. So this is what I'm having for my pudding. One of the large oranges, that is 0 pointed food. And I'm trying some of this new yogurt. I've not had it before. I picked it up yesterday in Aldi's in my shopping haul. And that is coming up as 0 points as well. And I've just licked the spoon. It actually tastes really nice. Like, it doesn't need any sweetener or anything with it. So yeah, that is my 0 pointed pudding. So I've got a delicious large bowl of food here for my tea tonight. I've got a large salad. That's half of my bowl there. That's all 0 pointed food. And then I've got a chicken skewer from Iceland for 2 points. Half a pouch of Morrison's rice and quinoa for 4 points, and some peas, which are also 0 pointed food. So this large bowl of yumminess is 6 points. So I really enjoyed that tea. I'm quite full now, but I'm going to have some of this melon now, and it's 0 points. So I haven't actually talked much today, so I am feeling quite a lot better today, thank goodness. I really felt so, like, as I said, fed up last night. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better today. And I've had a lovely day of food, have you seen? And those pancakes at breakfast, oh my God, they were to die for. They were so nice. And as you saw, Amber filled them with a Greek yogurt and banana and choc, but I think they would be absolutely delicious, just like traditional pancakes, with like lemon, and you could use that trivia, which is more or less like sugar, isn't it? And or when I made the pancakes before, with the mango filling, oh yeah, they were so nice, that recipe, really nice. And for, what was they, 5 points, I just thought, yeah, really good. Now, I'm tending to look, like today, I was looking at my diary and I was thinking, I'm kind of wasting 3 points a day on milk. Well, I know it's not wasting because, like, I can't survive without my coffee. And I don't mind the odd 1 or 2 black ones with, it's got to have sweetener in. But I can't be going all day with just black coffee. So, but then again, 250 mils of milk for me doesn't go far. And that's what I'm having for 3 points. So yeah, I just wish I could stomach black coffee all day long and then I'll be 3 points better off. But anyway, I mean, I know some people don't even count their milk, but that's just, to me, well, you know, it's out of your point, so you've got to, you know, you've got to do it. But anyway, today I've used 22 points, so I've got 1 remaining. So my breakfast was 9 points, that's including the milk. And then my lunch was 5 points. And then my dinner was 6, my tea. And I had 1 square of Galaxy chocolate earlier, which was 2 points. And I got 1 point left. So I would have had a second square, but I didn't have enough points. So I'm going to finish off tonight because I've had higher pointed meals today. I'm going to finish off with some blueberries, raspberries and strawberries for my snack this evening. Not quite my treaty snack, but on the other hand, I've had higher pointed meals, so it'll be fine. And I'm feeling really satisfied, actually. I'm not hungry. I have had an apple throughout the day and had a satsuma. So yeah, so that is what I'll finish off with. But I've enjoyed everything I've eaten today. My tea was, it's so simple, that tea, but, you know, it's just so lovely. And those skewers from Iceland, I really, really like them. I bought 3 bags the other day because they're £4 a bag or 3 for £10. So, yeah, I've got Daisy sat by the side of me and she is desperate for a haircut. She's so long. And she was having to wait till the 22nd or something. But I've had to fit her in with somebody else, which I didn't want to do because, you know, she's really happy with the other groomer. But because she's had the baby, I mentioned this some weeks ago, she's got such a backlog of people to fit in. And I can't wait till then because it's obviously quite hot and Daisy's fur is getting longer and she's so panty. And I, you know, I mean, I treat her like a little baby, so I don't like seeing her uncomfortable. And I can see, I'm not going to put, I will show you, hang on. See, she's really scruffy, she is, especially her beard. She's flat out, she doesn't even know I'm doing this. Yeah, her beard's really dirty. What a life, hey? I think she's guarding the Xbox controller. Oh dear. And she will not let you brush her tail. She's a nightmare. Yeah, she is an absolute nightmare with her tail. It's horrendous. I mean, anyone hearing would think we were blooming battering her because she just gets so angry. And I can see that it's getting a bit naughty and I hate it when she's, you know, like that. So yeah, she's getting done next Tuesday, I think, thank goodness. Because in this hot weather, I mean, she's got thick fur, so it needs to come off. Anyway, yeah, so it's all happening here at the moment because obviously, fingers crossed. Well, it's not fingers crossed because the conservatory's coming down anyway because the people are having it. So tomorrow is my son's birthday. He's 15 tomorrow. Cannot believe 15. My baby is 15. Wow. So it's his birthday tomorrow. And we are going out for tea tomorrow, but don't laugh now because he's taking a couple of friends. There was a few different options of going McDonald's or wherever, and it come down to Subway. So I'm easy with Subway, that's fine by me. He doesn't take much pleasing. So yeah, I mean, I have looked it up on WW Plan, and I think that 6-inch hearty Italian, I think it was something like 7 or 8 points. And then it said the chicken was 0, and then obviously salad bits would be 0. It's just the mayo or anything. So I could do that, but I am thinking maybe I'd be better off with a salad. So I don't know. I don't quite know what to do. I mean, I used to always have their salads, as you know, if you've been watching me a while. But it put me off when they started putting them in them cardboard boxes. When it was in a plastic tub, it was fine. But I don't know why, but those cardboard boxes just kind of turn my stomach a bit. But maybe I'll try that tomorrow. So we'll see anyway. But I don't think I won't be having, I don't think I will have I don't know. I'm not saying I won't, because maybe I will. Who knows? I don't know. It depends what I have for breakfast and lunch anyway, because as in, if I can afford to have the points on that, because if that's 7 or 8, I think, for the roll, sorry, I'm just looking at what's going on. And then however many for the mayo, it's going to be at least 10. So we'll see. We'll see. You'll see anyway, I'm sure. Hopefully I'll be able to film. If it is a bit awkward, then I'll just take a photo, but we'll see. So yeah, anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. So I've got one point left today. So not bad at all. And I'm so glad I'm feeling better today. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to go because I'm just rambling for no reason at all. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.